You've probably heard that no contact is the best way to deal with a breakup. And yes, cutting off communication is powerful. But here's the truth. No contact alone is not enough. If you really want your ex or partner to feel your absence, miss you, and rethink everything, you have to go beyond just ignoring them. In this video, I'll show you 4 powerful strategies that will not only make them feel your absence, but also shift the dynamic completely. So they're the ones questioning their decisions instead of you. Let's get into it. Number 1. Level up your life. No contact only works if your ex sees a different version of you than the one they left. Upgrade your appearance, hit the gym, refresh your wardrobe, change up your style, develop new skills, start a new hobby, take a class, improve yourself, expand your social life, meet new people, go out and enjoy life. Why does this work? Because when they see you thriving instead of sulking, it triggers something called fear of missing out. Suddenly, they're wondering, did I underestimate them? Are they actually better off without me? Number 2. Master the art of social proof. In today's world, perception is reality, and social media is a powerful tool. Don't post sad quotes, breakup songs, or emotional rants. Instead, post pictures and updates that show you living your best life, smiling with friends, trying new things, achieving personal wins. Why does this work? Because nothing makes a person question their decision more than seeing you happy without them. Even if they don't reach out, trust me, they see it and they feel it. Number 3. Be mysterious and unavailable. One of the biggest mistakes people make during no contact is being too predictable. Don't make it obvious that you're waiting for them. Don't immediately reply if they do reach out. Instead, be unpredictable. Take longer to respond, if at all. Be unavailable. Make them realize they no longer have access to you like before. Be mysterious. Avoid oversharing. Keep them guessing about what you're up to. Why does this work? Because humans are wired to desire what they can't have. The moment they feel like they're losing access to you, their curiosity spikes, and that's when they start chasing. Number 4. Shift the power dynamic. This is the most important step, because if you do this right, your ex will feel the shift deeply. Stop focusing on them. The moment you stop waiting for them, your energy shifts. Date other people, or at least be open to it. Nothing makes an ex rethink faster than realizing they're replaceable. Reframe the breakup in your mind. Instead of feeling like the rejected one, tell yourself, they lost me. Why does this work? Because confidence is attractive, and the moment you stop caring about them, they feel it. And guess what? That's when they start to question everything. Final thoughts. No contact is a great first step, but if you really want them to feel your absence, you need to take action. Make them see the new you. Show them what they're missing. Make them crave your presence. Let them feel like the one who lost. Which of these steps do you think is the most powerful? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more dating psychology and relationship strategies.